Il brano che sto per cantare si intitola Human Nature, un brano inciso da Michael Jackson nel 1982. Il testo di questo brano esplora la natura umana, l'attrazione notturna e il desiderio degli uomini di fronte, agli incontri casuali di relazionarsi in maniera autentica e di togliersi quindi la maschera. Vi auguro un bel ascolto. Looking out across the nighttime, the city rings a sleepless sigh. Hear their voice shake my window with a seducing sighs. Get me out into the nighttime, for walls won't hold me tonight. If this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite. They say, why? Well, not that it's human nature. Why? Does it do me that way? They say, why? Well, not that it's human nature. Why? Does it do me that way? Reaching out to touch a stranger, electric hands are everywhere. See that girl, she knows I'm watching. She likes the way I stare. They say, why? Just that it's human nature. Why? Does he do me that way? They say, why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why? Does he do me that way? I like living this way. I like loving this way. Looking out across the morning, the city's heart begin to beat. Reaching out, I touch her shoulder. I'm dreaming on the street. If they say, why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why? Does he do me that way? They say, why? Does he do me that way? Does he do me that way? Does he do me that way? Does he move the right way? Does he do me that way? I like living this way. Bene, spero vi sia piaciuta la mia performance. Se volete iscrivetevi al mio canale ed io sarò molto contento. Grazie, alla prossima.